Hi, this is Frank from Maple Dental. How can I help you today?
That voice is not a person, it's an AI. You've probably talked to one of these without even realizing. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you what's inside. 4 layers, 1 prompt, 1 context file, and one thing that 90% of vendors get wrong. That's why the AI you might pay for tomorrow could be the thing that loses you your next customer. Every day, a small business loses 30 to 40% of its calls outside business hours. The pizza place at 9 p.m., the dentist on a Saturday, the HVAC guy in a snowstorm. Every missed call is a paying customer that just went to a competitor. AI receptionists promise to fix this. A voice that answers around the clock, books appointments, quotes prices, speaks your customer's language. The technology actually works. It just doesn't work the way most vendors describe it. Let me show you what's inside. Let's say a dental clinic asks me to build them an AI receptionist. Before writing a single line of code, here's what they actually need to understand. There are 4 layers. The phone call goes through all 4, and only one of them is what most people think the AI is. Layer 1, speech to text. When a patient calls and says, "I need an appointment for tomorrow," that audio has to become text. Whisper, deepgram, 11 laughs. Bappy handles this. Doesn't matter which. What does matter, this is where accents, background noise, and bad microphones kill the AI before it gets to think. If layer 1 fails, nothing else matters. Most explainers stop here and say, and then the AI takes over. But there's a parameter inside layer 2 that vendors don't talk about. It's the thing that decides if your AI invents stuff or stays accurate. Layer 2, the brain, the large language model. This is what most people call the AI. It reads the text from layer 1 and decides what to say next. But here's the catch. Out of the box, this brain knows nothing about your dental clinic. It doesn't know your hours, your prices, your services, what you don't offer. It just knows English. Everything depends on 2 things you give it: the prompt, the instruction, and the context, the knowledge. Quick number most people miss. A basic AI receptionist vendor gives you a context file of maybe 50 lines. A good one builds 500 to 5,000. The difference between those 2 numbers is the difference between an AI that works and an AI that gets fired. Same prompt, 2 different contexts. Watch what happens when a patient asks, "Do you have anything Saturday morning?"
Let me check that for you and have someone call you back.
Same AI, now with the full context.
Yes, we have Saturday morning openings at 9:30, 10:45, or 12:15. What service do you need?
Exact same model, exact same prompt. The only thing that changed is the context file. The prompt is the script. The context is the employee manual. Without the manual, you just hired a cashier who doesn't know the prices. Layer 3, text to speech. The voice you hear, 11 labs, Bappy voices, OpenAI voices, quality and brand question. Layer 4 sends it back to the phone. Done. 4 layers. Less than a second between the patient talking and the AI talking back. That's the theory. Now, here's where it breaks. 3 failure modes show up over and over. And at the end, I'll give you one question that exposes 90% of bad vendors instantly. Do you do braces for adults?
Absolutely. We offer adult orthodontics. We can schedule a consultation for next Tuesday.
Failure 1, invented services. If your context file says, "We are a dental clinic," but doesn't say, "We don't do orthodontics," the AI will absolutely promise braces to a patient. Why? Because grammatically, a dentist does dentistry. Orthodontics is dentistry. The AI is technically right and technically out of business. Are you open this Sunday?
Yes, we're open this Sunday from 9 to 5. How can I assist you with an appointment?
Failure 2, wrong hours, told with confidence. Patient calls, asks, "Are you open this Sunday?" The AI says, "Yes, 9 to 5. The clinic has been closed on Sundays for 12 years. The AI is sure. The AI is wrong.
Hola, ¿tienen turno para mañana?
Hi there, I can help you with that. Could you please continue in English?
Failure 3. Wrong language. Your AI is in English. Your customer base is 40% Spanish speaking. The AI politely answers in English. The customer hangs up. You lose them, and you never know why. All 3 failures have the same root cause: the context file. The thing 90% of vendors barely talk about. Now, those 3 questions I promised. Question 1. How do you handle questions the AI doesn't know the answer to? If they say the AI handles everything, walk away. The right answer is we hand off to a human or take a message clearly. Question 2. Where do you store the business context? Can I see it? And how many characters is it? If they say we set it up for you without showing you the file, walk away. The right answer is it's a file you can read and edit yourself. Here's exactly where it lives. We update it together as your business changes. If they can't show you the actual file, they are hiding it because there's nothing in it. Question 3. What happens when the AI says something wrong to a customer? If they say that doesn't happen, walk away. The right answer is we log every call, you review them, we add to the context, the AI corrects. If a vendor can't answer all 3, don't pay. It's not about whether the technology is good. It's about whether they actually understand what they are selling to you. The AI is only as smart as the manual you give it. The manual is the whole game. If you are evaluating any AI vendor for your business, run it through that first. Link is below this video and in the pinned comment. Use it before you sign anything. Next video, I'm taking apart a different AI tool the same way. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. That's it. See you next week.